Honorable Justice Shri Vikramnath Ji, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice AMHD Nawaz, Supreme Court of Sri Lanka, Honorable Justice Abha Nair Patel, Judge, Supreme Court of Zambia, Honorable Mr. Justice Vashisht Kokaram, Judge, Appeal Court, the Bahamas, Honorable Justice Sanjeev Prakash Sharma Ji, Acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan, Shri R. Santana Krishnan, President Nivaran, present other Honorable Judges, distinguished dignitaries and delegates, and members of the media. It's truly an honor to be here amongst all of you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and this privilege to be able to say a few words to all of you visiting our wonderful Pink City and now Peace City as well. As we come to the close of the 3-day Commonwealth Peace Mediation and the Rule of Law International Conference 2026, it is both an honor and a matter of immense pride that Rajasthan has had the opportunity to host such an eminent gathering of distinguished judges, legal luminaries, and thought leaders from across the Commonwealth. In Rajasthan, hospitality is not merely a custom but a way of life, where every guest is received with warmth, dignity, and a sense of belonging. We sincerely hope that beyond the meaningful deliberations, each one of you has also experienced the rich culture, heritage, and hospitality for which our state is very well known and is very famous all over the world. Jaipur, our Pink City, has long stood as a symbol of heritage, dialogue, and cultural confluence. It is therefore most fitting that this important global conversation on peace mediation and the rule of law was held here. A city whose history reflects the enduring values of harmony, diplomacy, and dialogue. Over the past 3 days, this conference has provided an exceptional platform for meaningful deliberations on strengthening mediation frameworks, promoting peaceful rule of law across jurisdictions. The exchange of ideas, experiences, and best practices among distinguished members of the judiciary has enriched this dialogue and strengthened our shared commitment to justice. At a time when the world continues to face complex global challenges, the importance of mediation, dialogue, and collaborative justice has never been greater. The discussions held during this conference reaffirm that peaceful resolution of disputes and strong legal institutions remain fundamental to enduring stability, trust, and sustainable development. India's civilization ethos has always been guided by the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Rajasthan too has a long tradition of resolving differences through dialogue, consensus, and community participation. These timeless values continue to find relevance in modern systems of alternative dispute resolution and reinforce the growing importance of mediation in today's interconnected world. This conference has also reinforced Rajasthan's emergence not only as a destination of extraordinary cultural heritage, but also as a venue for international dialogue, intellectual exchange, and global cooperation. We remain committed to supporting such initiatives that strengthen partnerships and deepen mutual understanding across nations. I am confident that the ideas, recommendations and collaborations forged over these 3 days will continue well beyond this conference. The proposed Jaipur Declaration on Peace Mediation has the potential to serve as an important guiding framework for strengthening mediation practices and advancing the shared pursuit of peace, justice and the rule of law across the Commonwealth. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the organizers, the Rajasthan State Legal Services Authority, RALSA, the Commonwealth Lawyers Association and all partner institutions for successfully organizing this landmark conference. My sincere appreciation also goes to every delegate whose participation and insights have made these deliberations truly meaningful. As you return to your respective countries and institutions, I hope you carry with you not only the outcomes of this conference, but also fond memories of Rajasthan's hospitality and the friendships forged here. I wish each one of you a very safe journey ahead and every success in your continued efforts towards building a more just, peaceful and harmonious world. Thank you so very much. Jai Hind, Jai Rajasthan.